Are you ready for a pure adrenaline-fueled driving experience? Meet the KTM Expo, an ultralight sports car that redefines open-top driving. KTM, an Austrian brand best known for motorcycles, took a bold step into the automotive world with the Expo. Launched in 2008, this car is built for performance, precision, and pure driving joy. Under the hood, or should I say behind the cockpit, sits an Audi-sourced 2.0L turbocharged engine. Depending on the model, it cranks out between 237 to 600 horsepower, launching this featherweight machine from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. The Expo is not your typical car. It has no roof, no doors, and barely any creature comforts. Why? Because this is a track weapon, built with a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, making it incredibly light and agile. Speaking of agility, this car weighs around 790 kilograms, 1,740 pounds, less than half the weight of a regular sports car. That means razor-sharp handling, insane cornering speeds, and an experience that feels closer to a formula car than a road car. KTM has refined the Expo over the years, introducing models like the Expo R, GT4, and GTX, each pushing the limits further. The latest GTX and GT2 models boast up to 600 horsepower, transforming this track toy into a full-blown race car. While the Expo is street legal in some countries, it truly shines on the racetrack. It's used in competitive racing, track days, and even by driving enthusiasts who crave an unfiltered driving experience. So if you're looking for a car that's all about lightweight engineering, extreme performance, and pure driving joy, the KTM Expo is the machine for you. Like this video? Hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let me know in the comments, would you drive an Expo?